In this video, we'll compare Claude and ChatGPT and see which one of them is better. So this actually depends on how you actually define better. So regarding some users, ChatGPT is actually underrated right now. So a user currently have a Claude Professional subscription, which is the 3.5 Sonnet, and it has a lot of things that can be improved. So they actually chose Claude over ChatGPT because its responses is more intuitive, fluid, and clear. However, the latest update of ChatGPT gives is integrated image generation with real-time information access, with Sora for videos and other additional features. Meanwhile, Claude still doesn't have that particular feature, so on some cases, ChatGPT is the best for this since it's actually integrated other modalities. So if you're actually heavy on coding, I can still recommend Claude for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.